Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today it is time for our hashtag 52 tags handmade by Ann Brooks. And I forgot what week it is. Sorry guys. It is a bird, and I must say I absolutely dislike this week's challenge. Yeah, week 47. Sorry about that, guys. And it's a birdie. So, week 47, and it's a bird. So, what I did go ahead and do, guys, is get my fabric out and actually make my bird, because it was quite a challenge for me. And I did just use Fabri-Tac to glue these little pieces on there to start with. So I have my tag and I have my fabric that we're going to use at the back. So we will go ahead and get started. This will not take that long because essentially all we're going to do is just try to stitch it on here. And this right here, guys, is maybe not the best place, but this is going to be his eyeball. So right now we're going to give him an eyeball. And I'm just going to do this to try and make his eyeball. We'll see how it comes out. Yep, that works. So now he has an eyeball. So that's good. So that's all we're going to do right there. So we will go ahead and tie off his eyeball, if you will. Alright, so now he's on there and he has an eyeball. Okay. So, this is just... I seriously have no words for this poor bird, guys. Alright, so now I've just got some of this gray here. And I'm just going to try and get him stitched on down. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Oh no, wrapped around his legs. So yeah, it looks like this upholstery fabric here that I'm using is fraying pretty bad. But hopefully it'll turn out okay. Ow. Poked myself already. Hope you're all doing well today. It is Saturday evening when I'm filming. Did work today. It's a pretty good day despite being really busy because the shopping has started for Thanksgiving at the grocery stores. But yeah, it was a good day and everyone showed up for work, so that was definitely made it a good day. That's been, kind of hit or miss here lately. Folks actually showing up for work. Okay, let's see, I think that's going through some of that Fabri-Tac on his legs, because I did Fabri-Tac his legs on there. Just didn't want everything going all over the place, so that's what I decided to do on that. And I'm working tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week, so it's going to be a very, very long week. Right. Oh, okay. I see what I did. I gotta. It'll be okay. Yep, just getting through that little bit of fabric tag there. I put on his little tail, hold his tail on. I think that's gonna be okay. Oh, what did I do here? Alright, I have no clue. Just a few more here, and I think this will be done. Just want to, ouch, like I said, get him tacked down. Go. Getting quiet. I'm trying to concentrate, not poke myself in the finger. That kind of hurts. Let's see. There we go. Try not to go through his poor eyeball. Alright, so I'm thinking one more, and we could tie this off. There we go, got him tacked down pretty good. I'm thinking we could probably just leave his feet alone. I think they'll be okay. Just the way that they are. Alright, so there's that. Alright, there's our little crazy bird. Oh, that's what these are. What's those crazy birds? Y'all remember that game? Is it called Crazy Birds? That's what he looks like. Okay, so we're probably going to have to either glue or tack his legs down. And I think I'm just going to use a little bit of glue, guys, to just tack his little legs down from sticking out. There we go. I think that'll do. Alright, so now to add just a little bit more color. That poor little bird. Angry Bird, that's the name of it, y'all. Not Crazy Birds, Angry Birds. I bet you guys were yelling at me, weren't you? So now I think I'm going to take this bright yellow and just go down through. Oh, that's Fabri-Tac. Go across here. Maybe. Just to give a little bit of color in here. Oh, more Fabri-Tac. I mean, you can get it through there. It's just got to be a little bit forceful with it. Let's try to figure out where we're going to go from here. Okay, let's see. That'll work. Good enough, I think. There we go. Yeah, it looks a little weird, but, you know, it's okay. I think the whole thing is weird. Oh. Alright. I'm not good at those at all. Whatever it is you call those things. And we'll put one here, and then I think we're just going to leave this poor bird alone. Call it done. Oh. Well, that one turned out better. Okay. Well, that's going to be our very weird bird right there. And I'm not going to worry about that, guys, because we're going to be fabricking that down. Alright, so let me grab a sheet. And we could go ahead and get this on there. Perhaps we should go ahead and write on it first. So we got hashtag 52. Tags handmade, and this is week 47, and it's a bird. Yeah, fun stuff. Let's see, and this is going to post on 11, let's see, what's today, 22. Alright. So we will get that on there, and we shall call it done. Done, done, and done, guys. Don't need those anymore. Go ahead and put that away. Alright, here we go. Alright, that should be enough. Put our lid on here. Alright, there we go, guys. So this is tag 47, and this is a bird this week. In our case, it is an angry bird. Alright, got it down good. Alright, guys. Oh, that's so crooked. Come on, Maury. Really? Okay. It'll be alright. There we go, guys. Our bird tag. I'm so sorry you guys had to suffer through that. Believe me, I suffered trying to cut those pieces out. Yeah. Definitely did not like this one. But there you go, because I made a commitment. So there is our angry bird. I'm going to put that on the back. Angry bird. Okay, now it is complete. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me this week. I really do appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you guys next week. I love you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.